Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get started with dropshipping on Big Cartel. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info that you have regarding your store, that you can edit it and so on. So guys, you can see at the top of the page we have the sections we can access such as dashboard, orders, products, discounts and so on. So guys, there is two ways to get started with dropshipping. Basically, Big Cartel is very limited with dropshipping options and there is only one way to actually get started because they aren't a dropshipping platform. But guys, the first option is to just import those products that you want to sell hand one by one what you want to dropship. So you want to go ahead and find the product some other website like AliExpress. Go ahead, download the images, names, and then import the products one by one by clicking the add your first product, enter name, so on, and just enter the products. Basically, that is one option, guys. The next option is to import them in bulk. So let's say that you had some other website like Shopify where you did dropshipping and you had a much easier time. Now you want to import it to Big Cartel. You can do that, guys, by clicking the import products option right here. Click on import products, guys, and then you can enter a CSV, guys, as you can see right here, to enter the info of all the products that you want to get started dropshipping. Just click on get started and you can enter those products and then you'll be able to start selling them in bulk. But yeah guys, basically that is the only way to get actually started dropshipping because Big Cartel doesn't have other options. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.